if your Orbit front trigger spray nozzle is spraying even whenever you release the trigger, and the trigger isn't pushing forward all the way when you release it, then this video might be for you. So this one I think is called the Pro 8 pattern front trigger nozzle, something like that. I got it from Lowe's a couple years ago. They don't seem to make this exact one anymore, but the fix that I'm going to show you, it looks like it would apply to a lot of different Orbit nozzles, as long as they're this front trigger style. So basically all you need is a screwdriver and some channel locks, or maybe even just regular pliers. You're going to take this screw off the back. And then you're going to take this plastic part and screw it off. Pull that out, pull the spring out. Then there's this part down in there, and that's basically a plunger that the handle pushes against to open up the nozzle. I guess you'll need some needle nose pliers as well. Just pull that out, and on mine, whenever I pulled this out, this O-ring was not seated on here properly. So when I first pulled this off, it was sort of, the O-ring was half off and it was squished. And so basically that was keeping it from closing all the way. So basically you might have to replace this O-ring, or you might just have to put it back in its place. All right, so once you have that fixed, you just do everything in opposite order, and it probably doesn't hurt to put a little bit of grease, some sort of lubricant on it. I have no idea if this white lithium grease is a proper sort of lubricant to use on it, but it says it won't wash off, so, and it's the only thing I have, so I'll just go ahead and use that. Spread it around. Put the spring on. Cap back on. And there you go. That should hopefully fix it if you had the same problem as me. Thanks.